In this video, I'll teach you different ways you can use to come up with different t-shirt ideas. Let's go. Thanks for joining me on this video. My name is Juna with Detour Shirts, the channel all about helping you design and sell t-shirts online. If that's something you like to do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So in my Facebook group, I did a poll to figure out what video I should do next. And this is the poll here. It says, what is your biggest struggle with print on demand? The thing you need most help with? So you can see here, 68 votes said coming up with ideas. So I thought it would be a good idea to come up with a video to help you with ideas. I feel like that can be a roadblock to a lot of people, is coming up with ideas. I think one reason behind that is there's so many different choices you can make, so many different t-shirts that you can make. Just having all those choices may actually hinder you in figuring out what idea you should really do, right? So I'm going to show you some quick tips on how to do that, how to find different ideas, how to come up with your own original idea, and what to do with that. So I did another Facebook poll in my group, and I tried to figure out what big niche I could start with, what big niche that people would want to do. And here's the poll here. Out of these choices, I did summer, outdoors, Father's Day, 4th of July, and summer was the biggest by far, 98 votes here on this poll. So I'm going to pick a summer t-shirt design and show you how to come up with a summer t-shirt idea. And hopefully this is really helpful for you. So you're going to want to stay to the end of this video to see all the tips, as well as a design that I made for one of the tips here. And I also have another edition of trend credits. So lots to see in this video. Let's get started now. So I just came to Amazon and I typed in summer shirts for women, since we're doing this summer niche. So let's take a look at these. You'll notice these are not the graphic t-shirt that we're talking about. These are just summer shirts to wear for summer. Of course, Amazon sells these kinds of shirts too. So to kind of niche down, I'm going to type in summer graphic shirts or graphic tees, and not for women. We're just going to look for everyone. Summer graphic t-shirts. It says women there, but I'm not going to do women. I'm just going to do this. So these are summer graphic shirts now. And you can see this is more like it. It has words, it has pictures, right? And so I'm just going to look and see, kind of get an idea of what I could do to niche down from summer, because you saw summer still had 50,000 results, right? We're going to want to niche down. We don't want to just say summer on our shirt. We want to say something else. So let's get some ideas here. It says teach, love, inspire. Got a pineapple here. Not today. Let's see. Bring on the sunshine. Let's look some more. Neverland. We got some Mario. We don't want to do those. Love. Shut up, liver, you're fine. Let's see, hello, hello. And we just look at different things. Not a lot of text ones. Let's just do this, the word sunshine. So I'm going to do just sunshine, summer sunshine shirts. So you see how I'm niching down. All right, so 3,000 results now, so a lot less. So let's see what kind of sunshine ones we have. Sunshine vibes, hello sunshine, sunshine and coffee. Here comes sunshine, sunshine on the mind. These are all good ideas. We're just going to pick one and see. Bring on the sunshine again. That was a good one. Sunshine and coffee. Let's see sunshine and coffee just to look at the results, right? Sunshine and coffee. It comes up as tank top, so you know people are looking for that one. I'm just going to type in t-shirt though. I don't want to necessarily do tank top, although we can sell tank tops on Merch by Amazon. So a lot lower than 3,000 now, 752. Let's take a look at the BSRs. Some pretty low BSRs. Sunshine and coffee. That one's not that low, but that one is. Sunshine and coffee, pretty, not too bad. So this could be something, you know, around this. This could be a trend. You could do this one, sunshine and coffee. Let's try something else in sunshine. Let's try beer and sunshine. Let's see if that's it. So here's beer and sunshine, 300 results. they got low BSRs too. So, you know, you can put something with sunshine. Think of other things that you can put with sunshine. One thing you want to do though is if you're gonna do this beers and sunshine, you want to check USPTO and trademarks and things like that. So let me just go into Google and do beers and sunshine. And it is a song. So I would stay away from this one, beers and sunshine. That's probably why this was so popular. Just stay away from song and song lyrics. So I would take that off the list. But if you want to do, let's see, USPTO, and you can have this bookmark, but I'm going to show you how to do it. USPTO, click here, and basic word search. What did we have before beers and sunshine? It was sunshine and coffee. So let's see if sunshine and coffee is. So they're all dead. They're not live. So you could do that, sunshine and coffee, if you want to do that. But if you want to think of your own thing, so this is how you generate ideas. Sunshine and blank. What else could you do, right? So first you could do, rhyming words. Sunshine and what rhymes with sunshine? So let's see. You can type in here, what rhymes with sunshine? I think you can just do this rhyme zone here. So lots of words rhyme with sunshine. Here's just one place, the rhyme zone. I mean, sign and sunshine work. So what about peace sign and sunshine, right? That could work. You could do airline and sunshine. You could do blush wine and sunshine, right? You got lots of things. So come here, do some rhyming words, see what works well for you. That's one way you could do sunshine and, wine, or sunshine and peace sign, or things like that. So rhyming is a good one. Alliteration is another good one. So alliteration is just using kind of the same sounds. So usually it starts with the same letter. So one thing I could think of, maybe, things that start with S, because S, sunshine, Sue. So let's do like foods, right? Foods that begin with S. Foods that begin with S. Sashimi and sunshine, salad and sunshine, salami and sunshine. I think I want to do sushi and sunshine. So let's see. So let's say we did that idea, sushi and sunshine. Let's check USPTO for sushi and sunshine. This doesn't say sushi and sunshine, and it's not a t-shirt, and it's dead, so it's not trademarked. If we go to Google and do sushi and sunshine, it doesn't pull up as a song lyric or anything. If we do images, it doesn't pull up as a t-shirt. I mean, there's probably some t-shirts on there. Let's look at Amazon. Sushi and sunshine. Just a girl who loves sushi, sunshine and sushi, but very low results. And these aren't getting many. That one got some low BSR, so it's not trending. So you're not really there is this one and this one, but it's not like a trend that people are jumping on. But let's look at something, Google Trends. If you guys haven't used Google Trends. So I'm in Google Trends. I'm going to type in sushi. And you'll notice sushi kind of goes up right now. So this is May. We're here at 73, and now it's at 98. So it's kind of trending up, sushi. I guess more people are eating sushi as it gets closer and closer to summer. We can see in the past, past 5 years, it kind of is trending up. So sushi might be a good one to add with sunshine. We know sunshine is trending when we do the summer shirts. Sushi is maybe by combining those two, people who love sushi, who wants sunshine. So let's do it. Let's go to Affinity Designer. I'll open up Affinity Designer, mock something up, and show you what I came up with for sushi and sunshine. All right, so here we are in Affinity Designer. Here's my idea for sushi and sunshine. you can see I use that same vintage sunset thing that we did in a couple of videos back. And then I just added some palm trees and some birds just to give it that summer feel. And then I use this sushi and up here, just in that round thing. These are all things that I teach in my YouTube videos, right? And then use a cursive font, an underline, and that's it. So really simple. I'm using a black background because I'm just going to put it on some dark t-shirts. Black sells the best. And we're going to see if this can start trending. So we did the research on Google Trends. Sushi is kind of trending upwards, and we saw sunshine, and this is using alliteration, sushi and sunshine, right? S and S. So it gives us a good chance. It's not a guarantee that this will sell, but this is kind of starting its own niche. You did see 1 or 2 in there. Sometimes that happens. Other people get the same idea, and that's fine. We are kind of taking a chance. This is not proven to be trending, but we're going to see if we can do this with this design and see if just by it being summer and sushi, does it give us a good chance. So that's what we're going to try here. That's one way to kind of be original and do your own thing. You could do another word here instead of sushi. You could do salami and sunshine, or, like we said, peace sign and sunshine, whatever you want to do. That could be something original. Just do the research and see if people are looking for those kinds of things. You can use Google Trends to see if it's a word is trending or a topic is trending, and kind of mash those two together. That's one way to do that. So those are some ideas for you on how to come up with different ideas for t-shirts. First of all, just start really broad with the subject, kind of niche down, and then figure out what you can do in that niche that's not like, this doesn't actually say summer t-shirt, but it is a summer design, right? Because you can see the vintage sunset, the palm trees, it says sunshine, all those things. So this is kind of a niche down version of a summer design. So hopefully that was really helpful for you. Let me know in the comments if it was, and we'll see if this is trending. You can do your own version of sushi and sunshine, and we'll see together if we can get it to trend on Redbubble and Merch by Amazon. So I'm going to upload my version onto Merch by Amazon on Redbubble. You can do your own version of this, and let's see if sunshine and doing this will help. Thanks so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was really helpful for you. Let me know in the comments your ideas on this. If you liked it, I read all my comments and make sure that I respond. So leave a comment in the comment section. And your reward for staying all the way to the end is another edition of Trend Credits. Thanks for staying for the trend credit. Here is your trend, Camper Queen. I wanted to do another summer-inspired t-shirt design or trend. People love to go camping during the summer. People love to use their campers. And so this is Camper Queen. Let's take a look. Only 730 results. And so you can see very low BSR. So if you want to do some kind of Camper Queen, camper designs, those are doing really well. You can see Queen of the Camper. They're not all saying the exact same thing. So this one says Camper Queen, classy and sassy. This one's Camper Queen by itself. This one says Queen of the Camper. So lots of different ways to do that. You can see here also getting some low BSRs here. Let's check Merch Informer. If I type in Camper Queen, it's getting an A, so you know it's good. If you don't have Merch Informer, I have a link in the description for Merch Informer. You can use that to get Merch Informer and check trademarks and competition and all those things. So let's go back to the trend again here. Camper Queen, so many different ways to do this. So this one's a t-shirt for women, so make sure you design it for that. Queen of the Camper, that kind of thing. And you could even do King of the Camper, Camper King, and things like that. Have a his and hers. Lots of different ways to do this. You don't actually have to use the same words here. It just has to revolve around Camper Queen, and I think you will rank up here. So there are lots of different ways that you can niche down for summer. This is just another way to do camper stuff, outdoor stuff. Look into different words there. So that is your trend for this video, Camper Queen. So that is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully it was really helpful for you. If you want me to niche down some other topics, let me know that in the comments as well. I can do this again for different topics if you want, but I think this kind of helped you realize that you can start with a broad topic, kind of niche down, and then use some of those techniques like rhyming and alliteration to kind of make your own phrase, make your own thing, come up with something original, and then design something original as well. So all those things, all those techniques can help you get some sales and be ahead of the competition and make your own trend. Thanks again for watching. If this video gave you some value, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you like what you're watching and you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so you can see all the videos that I have, especially if you're doing print on demand and selling t-shirts online, or if you just love t-shirts in general, this is a good channel for you to watch. And if you want to see more of my videos, click these right here. These will tell you how to get started on print on demand and what to do. And as always, guys, keep creating and keep learning. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.